Welcome to Affiliate Profit Pages. Today is May 8th. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This is going to be my review of the new legendary 5-day challenge. They've currently just closed off their 15-day challenge and they've made it into a 5-day challenge. And I got to say, wow. I bought like probably $20,000 worth of courses in my journey to becoming an affiliate marketer. And both the 15-day challenge, which was $7, and now this $5 5-day challenge have probably been the most impactful on me as an affiliate marketer. So yes, I'm tooting my own horn. If you want to go get it, I'm gonna put a link below. I recommend everybody who wants to make money online, no matter what you want to do, because the lessons you're going to learn in this 5-day challenge will be able to basically you can take the knowledge that you're learning about marketing, about because basically anything you're going to do online, if you're going to sell pet services, if you're going to be a trainer, if you're going to sell some kind of course, or you're going to do anything to attract people to your business online, you need to learn how to market. And the thing about marketing is you need to be able to identify your target audience and create content that that target audience is interested in so that you can present them the solution for whatever problem that target audience has. That's it, right? So if you can learn those things, I mean, the mechanicals, the landing pages, the autoresponders, the websites, all that stuff, that's all just technical stuff that anybody can push a button and copy and paste. It's the stuff up here on how you're going to be able to present your stuff. So here's a great example. Here's a little analogy. Yesterday there was a copywriter. I get approached on for copywriters all the time on Instagram, and it's unfortunate because they took a course on apparently how to copyright, but they have no practical experience whatsoever, and most of them don't even know what they're talking about. They've just been given a bunch of mumble jumble to try to sell people that don't know much. So as a marketer, when I start asking them questions about email marketing, which they want a copyright for, they have no clue because they didn't learn how to market. And I always end up turning them around and say, hey, go build a list of your own, get some stats so you can say to someone, hey, I've got just so you know, my email writing is really good. I've got a list of 10,000 people. My open rate is anywhere from 30 to 40%. My click-through rate is between 1 to 2%. And my value per customer per month is about $10. Like if someone came to me like that and said, I want to write emails for you, I'd be like, yes, you can write emails for me because you understand what you're basically doing in order for me to want to work with you. All right. So that's basically the analogy. So, and how did I know how to have those numbers? Oh, sorry. Let me finish the story. Um, so what I did, I turned around to the copywriter and said, you know what you should do is you should go learn to market besides building a 10,000, but here's a way to market. Go out there and build, 5 mistakes that email marketers are writing or making, or 5 mistakes that copywriters are making. Make it a free giveaway. And when you approach someone and you want to work with them, say, hey, can I send you my it's totally free, no obligation. I'll send you my free 5 mistakes that email marketers do, or my number one email script that gets more clicks than any other email, or whatever it is. People will want, like, that's getting started marketing. It's like, yeah, send me that email template. I want to see it, right? So it's adding value, showing that you have chops, and you're giving them something. All right, so let's get into what the challenge does, and you guys can see my little legendary award back there. All right. So basically, if you want the challenge, it's going to be in the link anywhere around this page, wherever you're watching this. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, here it is right here. And so basically, it's all set up within the back office of Legendary, and it's very simple. You just go through day one. What I really like about this, which is really cool, is that they actually allow you to binge. We love to binge on Netflix. We love to binge on Prime. So you can actually binge this. You can do all 5. You don't have to wait for the next day for it to unlock, which in the challenge, the original 15-day challenge, you had to wait for the next day. And then you got to a point where you had built your funnel and you're like, oh, I'll unlock the rest of it. I want to go on. And then they would unlock all the days. So this one, they just let you unlock. So the first one is really, it's an hour long and it's really about wrapping your head around what marketing is, how it works, and really just giving you the insights to what digital marketing is. And this is stuff that this is from a multi-million dollar earner. So this guy knows what he's talking about. You go on to day two and you get into launching. And this is the one I believe, yes, this shows you how to make faceless videos, guys. This shows you like you can come out of the gates right away. What's cool too is right from the first day one, you can go put top niches to explore, but you can go in and you can actually set up your funnel right away. You can apply to be an affiliate. You can set up everything right away on day one. Before you had to go through a whole process. So now you can actually go through and get approved right away. So day two, they talk about launching and they basically setting up your social media for success and how to start making videos and how other people have made videos without even being on camera, because that's the biggest fear. I think everyone, the biggest fear is getting on camera and doing that stuff. All right. So you can schedule a call. You can do this with an advisor, no cost, guys. I highly recommend it. So when you purchase the challenge, you'll have a choice. Like you can do self-guided or you can do it with the advisor. Click on the advisor. It's free. Use use everything you can. So day two is launch. You get into showing you exactly like it's step by step, guys. They don't hide anything. The third one is lead with confidence. I think this is the one with Joanne. This is just a nugget. So you get 50 free hooks. You get a social media scheduler. You can jump on with your advisor, of course, and all these things. So, and then day four is mindset. And this is probably the most important lesson because if you don't fix what's in here, you will never be successful. And this is what needs to be fixed. So this starts out with a clarity questionnaire. You can order a copy of Rich Dad Poor Dad. I've already read it multiple times. It's a great thing. So this isn't Amazon link. It's not even my Amazon link. I don't think I can put it. I haven't found it if I can put the Amazon link in there, but it's just I don't care about that. Amazon pays peanuts. Anyways, if you haven't read Rich Dad Poor Dad, you really need to because Robert Kiyosaki really talks about how he grew up with a poor dad and his friends had a rich dad, and he learned from his friend's rich dad that stuff that his poor dad could never ever teach him. And that's basically the whole concept of the book is to think well, how not to think about working for your life. It's how to think about making money work for you. Basically, that's that in a nutshell. And then day five, it's your business plan. You can begin your class now with the business plan classes. You can schedule another appointment with your advisor. You can submit a business plan. So this is everything you need to do. And then you continue on to the next step. All right. So that is the new 5-day challenge. And I'm putting it in here. I recommend everybody should do this. You can't get anything in this world for $5. Like I can't even buy my kids what is it? My kids love McDonald's. Sorry. You know what? Anyway, I have three girls. So they love, what is it? They've graduated from the Happy Meals and they're on to the McDouble. And so the McDouble in Canada here is $5.79 for the small. And they're like, no, we want the medium fries, Dad, and the medium drink. So it's actually six something. So you're buying an entire, like I honestly feel, and this is no BS, this should be $2,500. Each one of these lessons is easily worth $500 in my mind, because I see the value in this. And getting it for $5 is it's absolutely ludicrous. It's just so ridiculously good. So if you got this far, then you're probably interested in getting this. So this is the Legendary Marketer 5-day challenge. So again, remember, Legendary Marketer is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not can you be an affiliate for it? Absolutely. But it's really about training people how to be a marketer, because that's what they do. They train you how to market. So you can take what you learn here and do anything you want. I just happen to love affiliate marketing. Like that's what I like to do. I don't like the headache of running my own business. I do have some products of my own, but it's kind of a headache. I would much rather just go, here's a link to someone's a product, right? It gets sold. I get a commission. I don't deal with anything else. Like it's done. I don't deal with anything else at all. It's just done, and I'm out of there. All right, so this has been my legendary new 5-day challenge review. Highly recommend it, guys. If you're doing anything online, even if you're doing like if you're selling crafts on Etsy, and what is it? What's the name of the thing? My mind went blank. This is when you get into your 50s, this is what happens. Etny. Etny? No, I don't know. That's the shoes. This is how much I work on those things. If you're doing drop shipping, if you're doing anything like that, you need to learn how to market, and this is going to help you. So there you go. Let me jump back off here. Zoom. Here's my stop share here. So that's it, guys. Highly recommend doing it. If you want to build your own courses, you want to do your own marketing, whatever it is, go get it. Go do it. It is, like I said, you can't get anything for $5 these days. So just go get it. All right, guys, that's it. If you're in the university here, make sure you're dropping me messages like you can reach out to me directly. Like you are in the university with me, so send me a message in there, and then I can get on one-on-one with you on a call. We'll go through whatever you're struggling with. We'll try to make it work. Basically, yeah, I'm here to help you. So probably the biggest thing that you need to get over is your fear of failing and getting on screen. Like that's the two things. Getting started. Like that's the hard people are like, I'm gonna make a mistake. I'm gonna make mistakes. I've made so many mistakes. It's ridiculous. I can't even count them anymore. I don't care anymore. Maybe this video is a mistake. Who knows? But I've done it. It's going up live. And you know what? It's so funny. People, someone, someone on YouTube is commenting on a short I did, and I don't know why. I've got a big smile on my face, and they're like, "Oh, fix your teeth, brush your teeth." And I'm like, "Okay, you're taking the time to watch my short over and over and over to make a comment about my teeth? Like, how, how, how much time are you wasting looking at my video to see if I my teeth like someone's like, go buy a toothbrush or fix your teeth? I don't know why. It's just maybe they're on a high def thing and I've got something in my tooth. I don't really care. But you know what? If they want to keep watching my videos over and over and over and commenting about it, just makes the video get more views and then more people comment and buy my products. So, all right, guys, make sure you hit subscribe. If this is valuable, share it with a friend. Go do the course, become an affiliate because it's always good because you could be doing, let's say you're doing dog training and someone goes, hey, how'd you get into dog trainings? Well, hey, I took this course, and you can just do it as an affiliate thing. You don't have to be pushing the course. You can be pushing all your dog training stuff. But if someone asks you, like, how did you learn how to market your course? Then you say, oh, I took this 5-day challenge. And that's how you refer it. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Cheers.